Prive Lounge, comfort of Encam Prive. So guys, this was my, but I really learned that the business class lounge, and here is my Korean girlfriend. And for everyone who's watching this video, I just want to tell you, guys, welcome to T3, and I will let you know where I'm going. And here is my Korean girlfriend.
Yeah, I'm from Sikkim.
So आज हमने जल्दी पार कर लिया है. आई एम सॉरी गाइस. आज मेरी कोरियन गर्लफ्रेंड का मूड अच्छा नहीं है. क्यों अच्छा नहीं है तुम्हारा मूड?
I mean, I wish I had the confidence to do this.
करना पड़ेगा गाइस. गाइस अब हम कैथे पैसिफिक का वो देखेंगे. आज बिजनेस क्लास जाने का मौका मिलेगा तो
So proud of this guy.
Guys,
Premium
no, I think business is there.
I think that is business.
What?
Bad. I mean, अगर हम दोनों इकोनॉमी तब भी लाइन में जाएंगे.
How many bags to check in, sir?
3 bags. 2 and 1. Hello.
I don't like shooting.
This is how you build confidence here. No one cares.
Nikhil is busy giving the bags.
Third bag, please.
I'm a
किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता भाई. And no one cares.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling
Get your pajamas.
as normal as I do anywhere else. So it's
Oh my
fine.
God.
Guys, check-in is about to be done. And Dipshika is feeling a bit shy. Look at her. She's gone red. She sab dekh rahe hain.
Yeah, I don't like.
No one, everyone is busy. Guys, I just want to show no one cares.
Now station in Calm Private Level 3 after security immigration.
Sure.
And this is for your Cathay Lounge, Hong Kong, sir.
Sure. This is for what?
This is for your Delhi in Calm Prime. It's in Calm Prime after security immigration.
Sure.
Just beside the garden.
Sure, sir. Any chance of an upgrade?
This class we don't have any seats. So this class is only bad.
Anything for that?
You can't really have seats.
If you can do it.
Charge somewhere around 65,000 plus for the leader.
That will not work out. So, Deepu, how was your experience?
Good.
Feeling good? Very smooth, I think, right? Oh, we missed the long cut. Thank you so much. Sure. And now we are going towards immigration, no? कैसा लगा दीपशिका? How was your experience? दीपशिका is super sad. चलो अब देखते हैं गाइस नेक्स्ट क्या होगा. This was my 1 second. So guys, this was actually my first, this is my first business class flight, and I'm happy. But I will say the experience so far, it's the only thing is it's a bit seamless. Like you don't have to wait that much. But I think this is only useful for very crowded airports. There are a lot of airports that I've been which don't have a lot of crowd. So I don't think so. The experience is as I don't know, segregating. The lounge is nice, but again, how much time are you going to spend in the lounge? I think a maximum of like 1 hour. Maximum if you've come into the airport very early, you will do maybe 3 hours, not more than that. But I think it's completely fine. So now we will do the international departures, and we will go through first I think immigration, then we'll do the security check-in. You can check it. So yeah. So let's see. I think how the lounge will be, I'm excited for that. So I'm looking forward to the experience, but I don't think we have too much time because it's already 9 o'clock, and I think our flight is just 15 minutes before 11, so should not be too different, or it should not, I will not spend a lot of time there. So see you. Yeah. We are going to the immigration line. Where is Dipshika? She's there. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Guys, today I learned that I think business class has a separate I don't know, security altogether, so it's nice, I think. Yes, and we get that.
Buy me a chocolate now.
So guys,
That Lind one.
गलती से as you can see my hat is off, immigration में निकलवा दी उन्होंने, and Dipshika has my bag. It's the bigger bag. Show it to me. Yes.
But it's not about the bag, it's about the wires.
So I have a lot of wires.
Thousands of wires and so many SD cards. What is this?
Guys, we had a lot of SD cards as well. No? So guys, now we are in the duty free section, and Dipshika का मन तो कर गया होगा.
Yeah,
No?
I want to buy things, but I cannot.
She wants to buy things. And for everyone who's watching this video, I just want to tell you, Dipshika is 100x more qualified than me.
The shopaholic in me does not.
I'm not saying shopaholic, I'm saying qualified.
Yeah. And look at this irony. He's in business, I'm in economy.
Oh God. It's really bothering her, guys, so I have to buy her a chocolate now. Check it
Yes.
out. Yes, what kind of chocolate do you like?
90% length.
Guys, 90%. Nothing is क्या कहते हैं, मतलब बिल्कुल कड़वी चॉकलेट. She will have it, but let's see. कौन सी
जहाँ
लोगे?
अब मैं जाती हूँ गरीबों के, जहाँ पे 100 लाइन होगी, 100 लोग होंगे, बैठने का मौका भी मिले ना मिले.
No, guys. So we will see up where we have to go. I think the only thing is we have to go to separate
buy
lounges.
this makhana?
Yeah, we can buy this makhana. Only for this much.
खाना 3 ले लें.
पता नहीं. I'm to going to business lounge, so I am okay. I don't need to spend any more money.
So you will not eat my chocolate, right?
I will not eat your chocolate.
छोड़ो.
नहीं, but I will buy you the chocolate. Please pick any. Guys, घड़ी आ चुकी है. 90% नहीं मिली है. 90% is here. 85. I'm so sorry. 5%. Will that work or not work? Let's see. Let's see. Hard to get 90%, guys. 5% is a deal breaker.
वैभव ने सैंडी ने काउंट किए हैं.
We'll have this.
मैं एक दोबारा रीचेक कर लेता हूँ दोबारा. 89 है ना पक्का.
You have 90%? No.
Guys, I'm sorry. 85% it is.
I'll take this one.
85%. Okay.
No makhana.
मखाना भी देना चाहिए या नहीं? लेना है? Seriously? लेना है? I think you're okay with the
Since I
chocolate.
have to struggle, I should eat some chocolate.
Guys, it's a big struggle. It's Bollywood wala struggle, I would say.
Enjoy your ride, yaar. It's not less than an hour for you.
Oh, it's less than an hour. Okay, guys. So we have to rush. But let's see. हमारे साथ ही जाऊँगा. Done in the duty free. I don't think we can spend much time here, right?
Otherwise, you won't be able to enjoy Pride.
Hey, relax, yeah. It's not a big thing. So we have only 1 hour for dinner, right?
We don't even have an hour.
Okay, we have around 40 minutes.
10:15 it starts.
Yes.
We
So guys, we are done with the duty-free shopping.
50% off in Victoria.
I'm sorry, 50% off, but we don't have 50 minutes to actually see what we want to buy. So guys, now it's the time when we have to go our separate ways. So Delhi duty free is done, and we will go. And अब हमारे बिछड़ने का टाइम आ चुका है दोस्तों. ना जुदा होंगे हम. गाइस, ना जुदा होने के कारण हमें जुदा होना पड़ रहा है. तुम्हें देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लाइन भाई फॉर यू.
जाए कैसे?
तुम एक स्टारबक्स में कॉफ़ी ले लो ना.
मेरे को खाना है तो खाना है. ऊपर खा लूँगी ना मैकडॉनल्ड्स वगैरह.
आओ फिर साथ ही चलो.
कर्नाटक कैफे.
मुझे पता नहीं कौन से लाउंज पे जाना है. कहाँ पर है ये? प्रिवे लाउंज, कंफर्ट ऑफ इनकाम प्रिवे. सो गाइस, टुडे एक्चुअली I learned that the
I'll go to Karnataka cafe.
yeah, maybe she'll go to Karnataka because we don't have a lot of time. But I really learned that the business class lounge is on the ground floor itself, and I think normal income where we usually go is on the first floor. So maybe that is something you need to know if you're looking for a lounge. guys, we're going to, I don't know, so this we have to go on the third floor now.